So this is a quick video on how to put color into your turtle drawings. So first, there are methods of moving the pen at speed, size, direction. You might have already noticed this, but here is just a quick method. So, pen up, pen down, pen size. Uh, so if you do not want to write a line, you would have the turtle call pen up. And then when you want to draw something, it's pen down. And then to change the width of those lines, it's the pen size. There's a lot of different methods in motions. So left, right, go to, set. Some of you have used these before. And you've also changed color. So dot with color, changing the speed of the drawing. But there's also a way of actually filling the color so that it actually fills up the shape. So first, these are just very basic regular shapes. And this is the code to draw it. So when you call it to be a circle of 40 with steps 3, it draws a triangle that's equilateral. So if you call it to have a circle, and you tell it how many steps it is, it's going to create those steps in equal number of pixels. So again, 4 steps means it's a square, pentagon, hexagon. So it creates the shapes seen here. Now, let's say you want those shapes to be colored in. Now, you would say, call the pen color, and then the fill color. And if it's a shape, you call this when you are filling the shape, and you call the end when you are done filling it. So these are all the different codes that you can write so that you can even write in different fonts, in different sizes, and in different colors. So if you want to make this image, all you are going to do is take that original code that we had, and when you put the pen down, begin the fill, tell it what color it is, and then after you've figured out what the figure is, you end the fill. And you'll notice that I did that for all of these codes. There's begin fill, color, and then an end fill. And then I wrote cool, colorful shapes in bold, size 18 font and Times New Roman, and then I hid the turtle to create that shape. And you can do this for any of your shapes.